Here I've got ALLVIEW X4 Soul Style, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera grid lines at this device. So at first you have to tap on the camera button to open the camera, and as you can see, for now we are in the standard photo mode, so we have to move to more advanced settings. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here. And as you can see here, we have different options to manage, and for now we are interested in gridlines here, so by tapping on this we get access to it. And as you can see here, we have the grid, so when we click on this we can easily turn on the grid lines. This is how it looks like. So this is helpful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography and making experiments with composition. And of course, when we want to turn it off, we go back to this button, tap on this, tap on the grid lines again, and pick none here. And as you can see now, it's gone. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.